Hello, boys and girls. Good morning. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, January 19, 2021. And today we are doing Module 5, Lesson number 9, boys and girls. We're going to continue practicing the same skill that we've been doing about addition with the chip model. So, what's your big goal, boys and girls? Remember, your big goal is to score 100 in your topic quiz on your mid-module and our end of module. And you do that by doing all your work. What are the materials that you need for today? The material says that you need no materials for the live video. You're just going to sit tall, watch and listen. You're going to need the Peer Deck link for the live class, and you're going to complete your homework in a Peer Deck link as well. So let's go over the important concepts. Boys and girls, one important concept is the hundreds, tens, and ones. We already know all those are values, and we've been focusing on addition. And addition is a part plus a part equals a whole. And each of these parts that are being added are called adding. Adding plus adding equals a whole. The other key word that we are learning is bundling. And bundling means when you put 10 ones together and you make the circle and the ones place or the tens place or hundreds place, and you put it in the next value. And the other important vocabulary word that we need to know is vertically. Write the problem vertically. That's the most misconception that we're having and we're forgetting when we are solving the problem. What do I mean? First and foremost, write the problem vertically is, let's say I have the problem 157 plus 25. Write the problem vertically. This is what it means. You put the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. This is the place value chart. Then I copy the numbers one on top of the other. 157 plus 25, boys and girls. When your teacher tells you write the problem vertically, this is exactly what she wants you to see. Write the problem one number on top of the other. So it's crucial that you remember the step. So let's go over the steps that you need to follow when you're adding. You already should know all the steps. The first thing is that you write the problem vertically, and this is how it looks like. Remember, this is what I want to see, write the problem vertically. Key point number 2 says model the add-ins, and model the add-ins means you draw both numbers. I draw the ones, the tens, and the hundreds in the place value chart. Key point number 3 is you count the ones. If you have more than 10, boys and girls, you bundle. That means that you put them in a circle, you make an arrow, and you put a dot. Key point number 4, you count the tens. If you have more than 10 tens, you bundle it. And bundle means you make a circle with an arrow and you go to the next place value and put a dot. Key point number 5 means count the hundreds. And then key point number 6 means just solve. Now, what is our objective for the day? By the end of the class, we're going to be able to relate manipulative representations to the addition algorithm. And remember, vertical form is also called standard algorithm. Okay, boys and girls, let's solve this problem. Let's solve it mentally. Where do we begin, boys and girls? If I have to solve this problem vertically, remember, this is a part, this is a part, and I'm trying to find the whole, which is the big number. Same thing. This is the part, this is the part, and this is the whole. Where do we begin? Oh my goodness, boys and girls. That might not be the easiest way for all of us to solve this problem. I can't add 427 plus 385 in my mind, in my head. Is there any other way we can solve it? If you said yes, you're absolutely right. We can make a math drawing and solve it vertically, boys and girls. We can use our place value chart and our chip model. So, we're going to use the place value language to work this problem using the chip model. The chip model is the dots. So, first thing is look over here. Write the problem vertically and label the units. I already did it, so I have the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. Then, key point number 2, model add-ins. That means I write the numbers for both place values. So I'm going to write the first digit. I'm going to put ones, tens, and hundreds. This tells me that I draw 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go to the next one, 6, 7 ones. This tells me this is in the tens place that I have 2 tens. So I go 1, 2. This 4 tells me that I draw 4 hundreds in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already drew the first add-in. Now let's do the other add-in, boys and girls. 385. This is in the ones place, so that tells me that I draw 5 ones. I go to a new column and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 8 tells me that it's in the tens place and that I draw 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 3 tells me that I draw 3 hundreds because it's in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3. I'm done doing model the add-ins. What should we do first to solve, boys and girls? Yes, boys and girls, we count the ones. Great thinking. So it says right here, count the ones. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 ones plus 5 ones makes 12 ones. What do we do when we have 10 of a unit like 10 ones? Yes, boys and girls, we bundle. So I'm going to bundle 10 ones. That means I circle the 10, I make an arrow, and I put a dot. Yes, right? So let's not forget to show your action in the vertical form. Look, I have 2 1 left. So I put the 2 in the ones place. Since I bundle and I put 1 dot, I have to put 1 on the tens place. Here we go. What do we do next, boys and girls? Yes, we count the tens. Good job. We're in key point number 4. Let's count the tens. What's 1 10 plus 2 tens plus 8 tens? Let's find out. We add the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many tens are all together? Yes, 11 tens. So what's next? If you have 11 tens. Yes, boys and girls, we bundle. Great job. So I'm going to bundle 10. Bundle means I make my tens together in a circle. I put an arrow and I put a dot. Yes, we compose 100. Remember to show the change on the vertical form. Ready? So, I have one left. And I bundle 100, so I put it right here on one on the tops. Are we ready to add the hundreds? Yes, boys and girls. What's 100 plus 400 plus 300? Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, boys and girls, it's 800. Let's record that. And great job solving the problem. So, if 427 and 385 are the parts, what's the whole? Yes, 812. Boys and girls, I want you to look at this problem. It says, solve this problem using place value disk and the vertical form. Remember, this is the vertical form. This person already solved the problem, and I want you to look at it correctly. Well, does the picture match the vertical form? Does this picture match the vertical form? Look at it carefully. If you said no, you're absolutely right, boys and girls. What this person did, they just copied the answers of how many ones, tens, and hundreds of how many units were left. They forgot one important part. Look, 2 ones plus 9 ones makes 11 ones. We have one left over, but we bundle one and we put it on the tens place. So we have to make sure that we come to the tens place and we put this bundle that is right here. Now, 1 10 plus 7 tens plus 4 tens makes 12 tens. That's right. The 2 is in the tens place, but this bundle right here, they bundle it and they put a 1 on the hundreds place. Needs to make sure it's here. This is what the problem needed, the vertical form, in order to match the chip model. Thank you for your hard work and paying attention. We'll continue working with problems like this in class. We'll see you later. Bye.